looks so nice. Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I know I look crazy, but I'm about to go and get my hair relaxed. This is the before. I'll show you guys the after, but my hair is looking pretty crazy and it's breaking. It's doing the most right now. It needs to be treated, it needs to be relaxed, it needs trimming too, so definitely have to get that done. I just ordered some stuff to do my nails myself, so I will do what I can do for myself at home. We're not supposed to really be outside unless it's an emergency, but my hair is giving way. I don't want to destroy my hair, but I will do my nails in a video for you guys to show you how I do my nails at home. But as for my hair, definitely have to go get it relaxed. So I'm at the hairdresser now. I just received my package that I'm about to do my nails myself. Hey guys, so I am back home. I got my hair done. I cannot believe I was there alone with my hairdresser and I felt very comfortable. I mean, at first I felt weird, but I felt comfortable and I got my hair relaxed. I got a treatment done. I got a trim. Like, I super duper, I really love it. It looks so nice. So my hair is off the list. Guess what I got as well while I was at the hairdresser today? My nail kit came in. I ordered some nail stuff from 2 places, but I already got the stuff from one. I was contemplating doing my lashes. I don't know, I'm thinking about it. My lash gel is not working, but I did tell this other lash lady that I might come by tomorrow. Well, I just got off the road and of course my face is greasy. Yeah, I'm just gonna clean up now, find something to eat, and this is the update with my hair. All right, so I'm just gonna unbox the first package I got. This is what it is looking like. It's a mini kit. It comes with nail prep, base coat, the polish you want to use, and it comes with a top coat. So this is just a mini dazzle dry kit. It also comes with a guide, nail polish company, and it's almost like gel polish but without the UV light and all of that. I usually would wear gel polish, but I don't want to risk it with that. I know somebody's gonna say, well, you got hairdresser, so might as well. No, I cannot do my hair myself, so I had to go to a hairdresser. Sorry. So it comes with a little card like this. I cannot do my hair myself, so I cannot chance not going to the hairdresser and my hair will start to break. All my relaxed hair girls will understand what I'm saying. All right, so these are the colors I got. Grand Prix pink, yeah, and this one is Tweet Me. I thought that Tweet Me was gonna be a little bit more peach, but I guess it's a soft peach. And then I got the whitest white that they have, and it is called White Lightning. So these are all the polishes I got. This is what it is looking like. I did try to do my nails some days ago. I mean, some of them kind of hold up, but for the most part it didn't really work out. 3 days later and my nails are already gone, so better I just buy something that will last. I'll show you guys the before video, and then I'm gonna show you the stuff that I bought and how I do my nails, you know, currently. Sis here does. Sis I talk and I move her head and I act. Sis, get your do. Like, I'm starting to feel like myself again. And there's something I'm using in my hair, guys, that I'm gonna share with you guys in a separate video. For now, let's just work with what we're working with. I'll catch you guys soon. Alright, so I will be nearing my eyebrows myself. That's a part of my fix-up routine. Will not do a tutorial on this. You can just go on Google or YouTube and find a tutorial on how to nail your eyebrows, but this is what they're looking like now. And then I'm doing something right now, but the next time I get back on camera, my eyebrows should be done.
And I know you would say I gave up way too soon. So it's gone, it's gone. Now we both moved on. Oh, that's la la life. That's la la life.
So as you can see, I just did my brows. Around it is really irritated, but I have an oil to put on that to fix that issue. So by tomorrow I should look brand new. Hey guys, so it is another day. I know it's been crazy all morning. Like, I haven't had a busy day in so long, and now that I'm having a busy day, it just feels so strange. Don't mind my head wrap. I will soon comb my hair because I am going on the road. So I did tell you guys, this is my alarm going off to tell me to get ready to go on the road, but I'm already ready. So I did tell you guys I cannot do my hair myself, so I got my hair done yesterday. That's off the list. I did my brows myself last night when I got back home. That's off the list. I'm gonna get my lashes done in a few. My appointment is at 2 o'clock. No, it's 1 o'clock, so I want to leave here about 1:30. So I'll be doing my nails myself at home. I got some other stuff. I shared them with you in my yesterday filming the vlog, and I should get some other stuff today. I did cancel those because I told them to deliver the other stuff, nail stuff, at 10 a.m. It's 12 now and the stuff, they're still not here. The delivery guy just called me saying, oh, I was calling you and I didn't get through to you. I was like, I canceled the stuff because you guys did not come, because I didn't want it to cut it too close to me going on the road, you know, to throw off my day. So he said that he's close by, so I'm like, okay, fine. Guys, look what just came to me. When I tell you that these people have the worst customer service, please believe me, they have by far the worst customer service. I mean, I'm not going to be horrible and, you know, name them, but trust me when I say they have the worst customer service. I ordered a brush to, when I do my nails, I could just, you know, clean it up myself. I don't know, it's looking a little bit dirty, if you guys can see that. It's looking used, but these people are horrible. Like, anyway, I got this. It's a cuticle cutter because I want to clean up my cuticles properly. When I do the nail video, you will see how I struggle to clean my cuticles in the first before video, so that will make sense to you soon. And I also got a nail file that I wanted to, you know, shape my nails. So guys, I'm just gonna comb my hair now and head on the road to go to my appointments. I'll see you guys when I am there. I'm gonna leave out now to go to my lash appointment. I'll talk to you guys once I'm at the appointment. Hey guys, I am back home from getting my lashes done. Of course, my skin is greasy as always. I am super tired. I am going to have something now to eat. I'm about to eat some food with my ketchup and then shower and chill out. I'm just gonna have something to eat and then I'll give you guys an update. Guys, I promise you, this bread, not because I'm the one that baked the bread, but it is so good. The only thing I'll say about it, next time I will definitely have to use all-purpose flour. Next, the coconut flour, it falls apart. Outside of that, yeah man, banana bread are my thing. I can't believe I me bake. This is the best something I ever bake. Like, I'm not a baker. When I bake, you know, usually tastes good. Trust me. This tastes so good. All right, lovelies, I just took a shower, I just did the dishes, and now I'm sitting down. I'm about to get some work done. So before I get into that, guys, let's talk about my lashes. Oh my god, like, I really love them. They look amazing. So quick backstory, right? All right, so I really wanted to vlog while I was there at the lash tech, but I got there late, like 7 minutes late, because of my whole delivery situation earlier. So she was already waiting on me, and I didn't want to be like, oh girl, you know, I started YouTube and I want to vlog. I was late, just so I was not about to, I have a conscience, and I was not about to ask her to allow me to vlog or whatever. So the bread came out way better than I expected, as in it tastes amazing, but because it's gluten-free, it's very dry and it's breaking apart. So the next time I do this, I will definitely use 20% off the coconut flour or any gluten-free flour I will use, and then 80% of the all-purpose flour. So I have all my nail stuff. I'm about to do my nails. As far as cleaning and caring for my lashes, if you don't know, now you will know. I am a lash technician myself, so I know all about lashes. I know how to care for them, I know how to do them, but unfortunately you cannot do your lashes yourself. I mean, you have some people who do lash extensions by themselves, but that's a risk, and I would never ever encourage anybody to do that. I was considering it. I was like, all right, maybe I should just do my lashes myself, but then I was like, with all that glue and stuff, I don't think I want to do that. So yeah, and trust me guys, I know about lashes, and when I tell you that this is done properly, they're not even, the beauty of them is not even showing on camera. Like, they are so beautiful. I moved from 0 and now I'm at 85. When my nails are done, I feel like I will be a good 100. I feel so pretty, I feel so happy, I look much better, I look lighter. I feel so happy. Like, I don't know, I hope you guys can feel my energy right now. I am so happy. I am drinking my Arizona watermelon. I feel so happy. I feel so happy, so happy. I feel happy, and I hope you guys are feeling happy too. Because I feel amazing. I feel amazing, and I'm showing off. I'm moving my head, moving my ponytail, doing the most, because I'm feeling good, and that is what matters. Because quarantine was starting to get to me. I was starting to feel a little bit down. Sis not gonna lie. Sis now come here, come pretend. But sis feel happy now. Sis is a whole mood right now. Okay, so I just finished doing my nails. Let me turn this down so you guys can see it. It's looking beautiful. And I just filmed a detailed video on how I do my nails myself at home. I'm gonna close out this vlog, this fix up vlog. I just want to say to you guys, stay safe, be very cautious, wash your hands,